Madam, I think you got the wrong idea.
Sir, need you. Tell me this, huh? Is this your husband? Is he the man we saw walking down the street this morning? Does your husband need golden grapes? Oh, I'm certainly letting your husband. Will that family be there?
Sees me with trouble and explaining to you. Boys are in a world.
I'm in the shit, it's Colton Briggs.
Are you serious? Colton Briggs? This is Colton Briggs' place?
It's just quiet.
And I'm his wife. And you hit me in the face with your boot. Knocked my arm. Shot his horse.
Napalit ko yung chocolate. Napalit ko. Chocolate. Yung mami yun yung naka-plastic. Kain na natin ito.
God damn it,
Napalit.
hell down on us.
Oo, napalit.
Absolutely.
Kain na lang marami. Ngayon nga, tag-isa kayo dun. May chocolate din yung isa. Keep ka na lang.
Ako mo din.
Yari ka. Ayun ang plastic ah. Eh?
Mama did come get me from school.
Yung kay mami nasa plastic eh.
We're here.
Yes, but when she comes
Galit ka na. Galit ka naman sa iyo. Galit ka naman sa iyo, hindi. Lagi naman eh. Alam niya pa naman yung chocolate niya. Kaya tinapagmura niya raw ako eh. Ewan, binigyan pa rin chocolate. Lalo na magalit sa iyo, hindi. Bigyan na ng chocolate sa 14.
Marshall, come on out here.
Mas matibay yung ganyan. Oo.
What we got here? Family?
Maybe it looks like the father and daughter from the picture on the memo in there.
Ano gagawa maayos yan? Ay.
Been away. So, good luck, man.
Lucky indeed. Tell the others to come outside. You shouldn't be making yourself comfortable in these folks' home.
Hey, you guys. Ben was here.
He's still alive?
Yep.
Oh, shit.
Just you folks home? I want to apologize for my man. We didn't realize that no one was home, and
My wife was home.
yes, sir. I apologize again. My name is U.S. Marshal Franklin Jarrett.
I know who you are. Where's Ruth?
I'm afraid you have me at a loss, sir. Well, I know you. Briggs? Holy shit, man. Yeah. I apologize, little lady. That language is not appropriate. have a family? Well, that is a good thing. Man needs a family. It grounds him, evens him out. This is good, Marshall. I'm sorry, Riggs. We need to talk. Somewhere private, preferably. Won't you boys go help him dig that hole?
So we don't want our help. So we should have done better at our jobs.
You ain't wrong. We'll get them horses ready. Little lady, I had Smiley heat up some of that condensed milk and put a little brown sugar in it. It's good. Make you feel better. I never knew your mama, but I know she was a good woman. And I did know your dad. Years and years ago. You meet a lot of people in this business, and the faces a lot of times just disappear over the years, but not your daddy. No sir, not him. Your daddy was about the meanest son of a bitch I ever met. Pardon my language. I never met anybody like him. Just the way he would look at you, just like he was looking through you. You were nothing. I seen him shoot 3 cowboys one time. Now, it was a fair fight, but I don't think his blood raised an ounce. I can't say he was a criminal. I don't know that, but I can't.
How they used to keep you.
Yeah. That was years ago.
Kasi parang sink yata ito eh, no?
Much because he's a good man. So is what your mom does.
Sink talaga. Ay, naluwa ng baka lang.
Is my father still living there?
Names of the men responsible for the death of my wife.
Riggs, listen to yourself. You see that little girl over there? She just lost her life. She's dead by God. I will find there was no good son to this. I will tell him. We will take him to trial and every time. I promise that to you. Take care of your daughter. As long as that little girl is alive. There's no reason to blame you.
Get me close. We're not going back. We're not going back. As soon as I finish what I have to do, we'll find a new place and we'll replace everything we lost.
That was the shooter, shit.
The Marshal.
You didn't shoot the marshal?
God damn it. That asshole started the ambush before we were positioned.
What do we do?
You see Briggs?
I don't know what he looks like.
Oh, you'll know when you see him. I promise you that.
Is it time to leave? Why didn't you wake me?
No reason to hurry. Gunshots might have a look.
Akala ko yung Hinang bubuo sa loob. Di ba yung
Hindi ko pinarena mo yun, wala rin yun. Lalabas na rin yung nakakapit yung ganun lang ginawa.
Oo.
Kasi ganun kalaki din yung ibubunas mo. May dati inaano ng oro.
Wala rin yun, no?
Wala rin yun. Baka lang yung trend, hindi na makakapit yung lahat.
Dapat talaga bago, no? Putol talaga. Eh, nagulat ako eh, pinutol ah. Matrabaho rin talaga, ano? Pero na kayo nang gawa na kayo ng Supremo. Mga ganyang sakit. Marami na. Sana matibay-tibay naman yan. Sakit daw talaga ng Supremo yan.
You can't run the business when they don't accept it. They'll push you out. Do you want to make it in this store? Answer me. Do you I know you're upset. Well, I don't blame you, but whatever you think you're doing, you need to let these boys go. Let's go right to you. You let the boys go. What do you think you're going to do? You're asking me to participate in murder. Correct.
Is this far enough?
Good. Put her on the fire. We'll be ready to start. If anything happens to my man, I swear to God, I will hunt you down and I will kill you myself. Give him the stick like I showed you. McAllister. Name's James McAllister. He rides with 3 men, Michael Arlins and Boots Miller and Eustace Bed. They're all hardened criminals. Bring me the iron. Just the flesh on either side of the wheel and push it together. We have to burn it with the iron or we'll bleed out soon. Taking your guns and your horse.
You gotta leave me a horse, Briggs. You can't.
Put it up here and part ways friends. But I will tell you this.
Yan guys, okay na yung ating yung ng bolt. Yan. Tara, let's go. Dali na natin sa mekaniko para makabit na. Yan.